Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting question from algebra which we will solve without using calculators. So let's get it started by considering this expression equal to e first. Now we will write our expression as a square root of 2 power 16. So we can write 16 as 4 times 4 plus 3 power 8. 8 can be written as 2 times 4. Then we have 7 power 4 over 2 plus 63. Now we know the exponent property a power b times c. We can write a power b whole power c. So here I will consider a power b as 2 power 4, a power b as 3 square. So 2 power 4 is 16, 3 square is 9. We will get the square root of 16 power 4 plus 9 power 4 plus 7 power 4 over 2 and plus 63 is here. Let me write expression here. We will get expression equal to square root of 16 power 4 plus 9 power 4 plus 7 power 4 over 2 plus 63. Now I will consider, let's say 9 is A, 7 is B. So I can write here 9 plus 7 will be equal to A plus B, and this is equal to 16. So in place of 16 we'll be writing A plus B, and in place of 9 we will write A, in place of 7 we will write 7, and 63 can be written as 9 times 7. So I will write 63 as A times B. Let us write E will be equal to the square root of A plus B whole power 4 plus A power 4 plus B power 4 over 2, and then here we'll be writing plus AB as 63. Now I will use binomial expansion, or better is to consider this a square root term, the complete term, as x. So expression E we can write is square root of x plus AB, where x is, let me write here, x is square root of A plus B whole power 4 plus A power 4 plus B power 4 over 2. Now I need to write A plus B whole power 4. So I should aware of the expansion coefficients. So I will use Pascal triangle. For power 2, we will use 1 to 1 as expansion coefficients. For power 3, 1, 3, 3, 1. And for required power 4, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So I will write 1 A power 4. Then we have 4. So I will write 4 A cube B. Then we have 6. I will write 6 A square B square. Then we have expansion coefficient 4. So I will write 4 A B cube, and last coefficient is 1. So there I will write B power 4. Let's put this value. I will get x equal to the square root of A power 4 plus B power 4. First and last term I will write all together. Then we have 4 A cube B plus 4 AB cube and then we can write 6a square b square plus these two terms, a power 4 plus b power 4 over denominator is 2. Now I can write the square root of a power 4 plus b power 4 at the beginning, at the last also. So I will take 2 common out. In the bracket we can write a power 4 plus b power 4. Then we'll write 2a cube b plus 2ab cube and 3 times a square b square, bracket is closed, over 2. Now this denominator 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So I will write x first. Let me write here x equal to the square root of a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2a cube b plus 2ab cube plus 3 times a square b square. Now I will split 3a square b square as a square b square plus 2a square b square. So x will be the square root of a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2a cube b plus 2ab cube plus a square b square plus 2a square b square. Now I can write the square root of a power 4 plus b power 4 plus a square b square. Then we will write plus 2a cube b plus 2ab cube plus 2a square b square. Now I will write a square root of a power 4. I will write a square whole square. B power 4. B square whole square. A square b square. I will write ab whole square. Now if I will take a square b square, the product of first two brackets, and I will multiply with 2. So we can write 2 times a square b square. This is our last term. Plus 2 times the product of both. So 2 times a b cube plus 2 times a cube b. Now you can see this is one algebraic identity. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So in this place we can write a square plus b square plus ab whole square. Now we can cancel a square root with a square. So this x will come out a square plus b square plus ab. So I will write here x equal to a square plus b square plus ab. And our expression in terms of x, this was the square root of x plus ab. AB was 63. Let's put this value. So I will write expression E equal to square root of a square plus b square plus ab plus ab. So I will write a square root of a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. This will be equal to square root of a plus b whole square. Now we can cancel a square root with this square. So we will get expression E equal to a plus b. Now a was 9, b was 7. So I will write E is equal to a plus b as per our consideration. A was 9 and b was 7. So I will write 9 plus 7. We will get our answer 16. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.